What if the largest bird walked the Earth millions ago? The answer lies in the unexpected fossil records. Meet Gigantoraptor, a creature that defied typical dinosaur expectations. Its discovery completely upended prevailing theories on raptor evolution. But this gigantic theropod shared startling features with modern fowl. Its sheer size was unprecedented for its known family group. Imagine a raptor nearly 23 feet long and over a ton heavy. This creature was an evolutionary anomaly in the Cretaceous period. Its appearance challenged the assumption that bird-like traits meant smaller size. Now that we understand its unexpected size, let's explore its feathers. Evidence suggests this giant was likely covered in extensive plumage. Not flight feathers, but insulation and perhaps display structures. And its arms were long, powerful, yet lacked the full flight apparatus. Compare this structure to modern flightless, ground-dwelling birds. The powerful legs suggest incredible bursts of terrestrial speed. Its feet retained a distinctly bird-like, three-toed structure. These features confirm its placement within the Oviraptorosauria lineage. Yet, its lineage connects it directly to the avian branch. This presents a crucial moment in the dinosaur-to-bird transition. And now that we understand its evolutionary link, let's examine its diet. The beak of the Gigantoraptor suggests a specialized, non-predatory function. Lacking sharp teeth, it likely consumed softer vegetation or small prey. Its massive bulk required significant caloric intake daily. It needed efficient methods to process and consume vast amounts of food. Gizzards, containing gastroliths, were likely essential for digestion. However, those formidable claws suggest formidable defensive capabilities. But even as a forager, it commanded respect in its ecosystem. Its vision would have been key to navigating dense environments. The relationship with nesting behavior remains a fascinating area of study. Oviraptorosaurs often showed evidence of brooding over their clutch. But let us now zoom into the true link between this giant and birds. The ankle joints and foot morphology are strikingly avian. Specifically, the tarsal bones show advanced fusion patterns. Its chest cavity suggests a powerful respiratory system, bird-like in function. These air sacs allowed for highly efficient oxygen exchange, critical for activity. The overall head shape, though large, mirrors that of cursorial birds. It embodies a fascinating evolutionary experiment in gigantism. This massive creature lived during the late Cretaceous period in Asia. Its existence tells us about the diversity present, just before the extinction event. The preservation quality of the original remains is truly remarkable. The initial scientific team carefully unearthed this complex puzzle. And the initial classification was fraught with confusion due to its unique shape. Its neck vertebrae were incredibly elongated, supporting a large head. But these structures suggest flexibility combined with necessary shear mass support. Contrast this specialized neck with the thicker structure of tyrannosaurs. Its tail was relatively short, unlike many of its theropod cousins. This reduced tail mass likely aided in the creature's overall speed potential. But the feathers themselves represent a crucial evolutionary commitment. But this trait strongly supports the hypothesis that many dinosaurs were warm-blooded. But the similarities blur the line between giant dinosaur and avian ancestor. It occupies a unique niche, a gigantic, bird-like dinosaur. Its musculature shows adaptations for immense power generation. But these deep footprints speak volumes about its constant interaction with the Earth. Understanding this giant informs how we view smaller, related feathered dinosaurs. Gigantoraptor forces us to reconsider the scale of Cretaceous diversity. Though it possessed a mouth structure perfectly adapted for its specialized niche. Every detail, from claw to feather impression, whispers evolutionary secrets. This creature demonstrates evolution's boundless capacity for experimentation. The giant feathered dinosaur is a testament to life's creative power. The lineage of Gigantoraptor continues today in the birds we see.